In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Bitcoin on Metatrader 5. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look for the Bitcoin symbol and how to open its chart so you can start analyzing price action with confidence. First, open Metatrader 5. To display the list of available instruments, bring up the Market Watch panel by pressing Ctrl+M or by going to the top menu, clicking View, and selecting Market Watch. This panel appears on the left side of your screen and acts like a directory of everything your broker makes available to you. If it's not visible right away, the shortcut toggles it on and off, so press it again until the panel is displayed. Next, ensure you can actually see every symbol your broker offers. Inside the Market Watch panel, right-click anywhere in the empty space and choose Show All. Many brokers hide inactive instruments by default to keep your list tidy, so this step is important. Selecting Show All doesn't subscribe you to any feeds, and it doesn't place any trades. It simply reveals the complete list, including cryptocurrencies if your broker supports them. Give it a moment. Depending on your broker, a large set of symbols might take a second to populate. Now, scroll through the list to locate Bitcoin. You're typically looking for BTC/USD, which is Bitcoin quoted against the US dollar. Some brokers format it as BTC/USD, and others may label it Bitcoin. You might also notice variations like BTC/USDM or BTC/USD.pro. These suffixes usually indicate account types, contract sizes, or pricing models, but they still refer to Bitcoin versus the dollar. If it's not immediately obvious, take your time scrolling through the list, as symbols are often grouped or alphabetized. If you still can't find it, there are two common reasons. Either your broker does not offer crypto trading, or the symbol is still tucked away in the broader symbols list. On some platforms, Bitcoin is organized inside a crypto category within the symbols window, so check there if your broker uses folders. Once you've found the Bitcoin symbol, open its chart by double-clicking it, or by right-clicking and choosing Chart Window. The Bitcoin chart will load, and you can switch timeframes, add indicators, and begin your analysis. Because cryptocurrency markets can be volatile and run around the clock, it's a good idea to review the spread, contract specifications, and trading conditions your broker applies to BTC/USD before placing any orders. That's it. Open Market Watch, show all symbols, find BTC/USD, and open the chart. You're now ready to track Bitcoin in Metatrader 5.